Monday. Just a quick little video about what your assignment's going to be for the next 2 days. We are going to continue with some prep leading up to having a folder for all of our material to put in that we worked on this whole year. So this is basically the cover to your LeadWorthy folder. The key here is that I do not want pictures. Now, I know you're looking at mine and you're like, Coach, how must see some pictures on there? Okay, well, it's minimal. This one here I know is a picture, and the only other picture I really want you to have is a picture of you. So your rubric is essentially a picture of you, and then fill up all the white space with text. So by that, I mean this right here. If I was grading myself, I'm probably giving myself a 90. Little white space here that could be filled up. Maybe a picture here could be filled up, here and here. Yeah, and it's a little, subjective, but, what I want you to do is just fill up all the white space with words that are basically descriptors or describe you. So if you look at mine, start at the top, farming. I'm a huge lover of all things farming. I'd always rather be fishing. I am an aspiring author. I went to LSU, so I got to have the Fighting Tigers text on there. I love plants. Big poetry guy. If you are not willing to learn, no one can help you. If you are determined to learn, no one can stop you. I like to think of myself as a lifelong learner. This is my little hiker guy. I just thought this was a really cool picture with LSU and hiker, so found it, put it up there. No more. If you have one picture like this, okay, I'll let it slide. If you have a bunch of pictures, I'm going to take points off, because this is all meant to be words, because later on down the road, we're going to do something where you are building something with only pictures. So keep that in mind. One picture, okay. 2 pictures, not okay. I have all my national park, Zion National Park, Lake Ouachita National State Park, Land Between the Lakes State Park, T-Gene State Park. I could have put more, but I kind of stopped there. Fitness, college football national championship, barbecue, soccer. So all of this represents me. Like, this is all me. So this is something that we will print out and put on our folder when we get to that point. But this, I'm going to give you 2 days. So today, Monday, tomorrow, Tuesday, and it will be due at the end of the day on Tuesday. So not Wednesday. Then we will start something else on Wednesday. So then you'll have your first thing to put in your folder. You will need a folder. If you don't have that, we can kind of ad-lib. But do this first, and we'll go from there. Alrighty, guys.